how to recover Snapchat My Eyes Only deleted photos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted photos from Snapchat's My Only feature. If you accidentally deleted a photo or can't find it, don't worry, stick around and I'll guide you through the process of getting them back. First, let's make sure your photos are still hiding in My Eyes section only. Go to Snapchat and on your memories and My Eyes only, simply simply enter the password corrected. Then you'll be able to access this area and check if your photos are still there. If you can't find the photos in My Eyes only, there's a chance they're backed up in Snapchat's cloud storage if you've enabled the backup feature. To check if your photos are backed up, go to your Snapchat settings, tap on memories, and if there's a backup updated, simply what you need to do is you can simply restore it by simply uninstalling the app and simply reinstalling it. And when you try to reinstall and log in, simply request your data. Now, if you still can't find your photos, you can try recovering them by using Snapchat's data request feature. Go back to settings and go to my account and go to data usage and find request my data and simply tap on it. Now you may be required to enter the email or your username and follow the instructions to download your Snapchat data. You may find your photos under the memories section. And that's it. These are some of the ways to simply recover the deleted photos on My Eyes only. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.